Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a caliper holder that I designed in Blender. This holder allows you to hang your caliper conveniently on the edge of a desk. Before manufacturing the product, I performed a finite element analysis to ensure its strength and functionality. In this video, I will walk you through the case steps of that analysis and share the main results. Let's talk about an analysis process. Geometry creation. I first modeled the caliper holder in Blender with the exact dimension required for the desk mount and the caliper. Meshing. I imported the geometry into PrePoMax and generated the mesh. To achieve more realistic results, I refined the mesh by reducing the element size until the mesh density provided a good balance between accuracy and computation time. I defined the material as ABS plastic. Size, this is what I plan to use for 3D printing. Load definition. I applied the weight of the caliper as distributed load on the contact surfaces where it will rest in real life. I fixed the faces that will be in contact with the desk, replicating the real mounting condition. With the setup complete, I ran the solver and obtained stress and deformation results. I checked the deformation plot and stress distribution. Both were within acceptable limits, meaning the design is strong enough to be safely manufactured. After confirming that the design was safe, I moved on to the prototyping stage. I 3D printed the holder, installed it on my desk, and started using it right away.